Itong awiting ito ay alay sa'yo. Sintunado man tong mga pangako sa'yo. Ang gusto ko lamang kasama kang tumanda. Patatawanin kita pag hindi ka masaya. Bubuhatin kita pag may rayuma ka na. O kay sarap isipin kasama kang tumanda. Ibibili ng balot pag mahinang tuhod. Ikukuha ng gamot pag sumakit ang likod. O kay sarap isipin kasama kang tumanda. Oh, sasamahan kahit kailanman. Maigit kumulang di mabilang. 30 araw sa isang buwan. Umabot man tayo sa 3,001. Magmukha mang bruha pagising sa umaga. Pupunasan ko pa ang muta mo sa mata. O kay sarap isipin kasama kang tumanda. Paglalaba pa kita matapos mamalansya. Kahit abut-abutin man ako ng pasma. O kay sarap isipin kasama kang tumanda. Oh, sasamahan kahit kailanman. Maigit kumulang di mabilang. 30 araw sa isang buwan. Umabot man tayo sa 3,001. Loves na loves pa rin kita kahit bungi-bungi ka na. Para sa akin ikaw pa rin ang pinakamaganda. O kay sarap isipin kasama kang tumanda. Nangangako sa'yo pag sinagot mong oo, iaalay sa'yo buong puso ko. Sumang-ayon ka lamang kasama ka tumanda.
Okay, it's Auntie Mench's birthday.
Hi, Ate Menchi.
Happy birthday!
Happy 50th birthday.
50th ba? 50th?
Happy birthday kayo.
Many more to come.
Happy
birthday.
Jay!
Ay, lalaki. Happy
Jay.
birthday! Ganun.
Happy birthday!
Yeah.
Take my phone, then I can...
Okay.
Ako naman.
Oh, sabay-sabay tayo.
Okay.
Love you.
Where's her sister?
Jay!
Nobody knows for sure.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, tita. We
Ano ba yan?
We love you, Ate Menchi.
I love you, Auntie.
Ano ka? Sabi na sabay-sabay. Ang kukulit.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Wait,
Happy birthday.
Gangnam Style!
what are we doing now?
Okay.
Happy birthday, Auntie.
Ayos na! Okay na?
Okay na.
It's recording. Happy birthday, Auntie Menchi.
Happy birthday.
How old is she now? 50? 50? Yeah. It's okay, you're not old, Auntie. Don't worry. You're still young. Anyways, what do you want to say? We love you. Hope you enjoy your presents. Don't worry, some of it's from me too. Okay.
Nasa hospital ako. Okay, baka bukas ako lumabas.
Okie dokie. Bye. Love you. Happy birthday.
Okay.
Set?
Yeah.
Oh, we can go. Hi, Auntie Mench.
Hello, Ate Mitch. Surprise!
Okay, you say for something first. You say something first, Junior. Say Auntie Mench.
Auntie Mench.
Look at the camera.
Auntie Mench.
Okay.
Happy birthday.
And then
I love you so
I
much.
love you so much.
And then my appa will buy you bag.
Appa will steal one of Mommy's bags
No,
and
no.
send it to you.
No.
You pick.
You pick. No. What's mommy's? What you gonna send Auntie Menchie?
Not Chanel.
Not Chanel. No, not Chanel. What you gonna send her then? What?
Pillow.
What?
Pillow.
Pillow.
Pillow. Happy Menchie. Happy birthday.
See you soon.
Happy 16th birthday.
Hello, bye. Even though I'm not your favorite.
Ate Mench, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ate Mitch.
Enjoy your gift.
Enjoy your day.
Bye. We love you. Mwah.
Tayo matanda na, sana'y di tayo magbago. At kailan may, nasan may ito ang pangarap ko. Makuha mo ba kayang ako'y hagkan at yakapin? Hanggang sa pagtanda natin, nagtatanong lang sa'yo, ako ba kaya'y ibigin mo? Kung maputi na ang ulo ko. Pagdating ng araw, ang iyong buhok ay puputi na rin. Sabay tayong mangangarap ng nakaraan natin. Ang nakalipas ay babalik natin. Ipapaalala ko sa'yo ang aking pangako na ang pag-ibig ko'y lagi sa'yo. Kahit maputi na ang buhok ko. Ang nakalipas ay babalik natin. Ipapaalala ko sa'yo ang aking pangako na ang pag-ibig ko'y laging sa'yo. Kahit maputi na ang buhok ko. Kahit maputi o wala na ang buhok ko.
Hi, Auntie Menchie. Just want to greet you. Happy birthday. How old are you again?
13.
Oh, 19?
Yeah.
Hi,
birthday.
I'm older than her then?
Oh.
Oh, okay. But anyhow, I want to greet you. Happy birthday. And Oh, she's my action lady. So, what I'm gonna say?
I don't know. If I'm getting
We
married
love
at 27.
you. We love you, and hopefully
You come here soon.
Come here soon.
Get that visa.
And Kayla is not here right now because she's doing her gymnastics. And I'm gonna pick her up at 8, so it's gonna be a separate YouTube for you, and me and Kayla for you.
Angelica.
And Angelica here right
Oh.
now. She has to go back to her apartment. So, Angelica, say something.
I love you. Happy birthday. And she has to be here by the time I'm 27. So
Are
she
you gonna
can
give her
be-
any present? Because I'm going home, by the way, December.
I'm not going.
So I'll be spending my Christmas and my New Year there.
With you.
With
Sorry, I can't come. I have school.
you. And
and
Kayla and Angelica cannot come. So,
Skype me.
anything else? Babush! Happy birthday.
Love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Auntie Menchie. Happy birthday to you. Hey, it's your turn. It's your turn. What you gonna say, Auntie Menchie?
I love you. Happy birthday. I hope you could come here.
Oh,
When
that's
I
what.
go over there, let's go bomb the place.
What? I'm back again. Happy birthday, Auntie Menchie. And I forgot to tell you, may all your wishes come true.
Yeah, that
Yep.
too. And probably one of your wishes is to
Witches?
wishes is to bomb the place.
No. Are you sending Auntie Menchie a gift?
I'm gonna send her a
Look
bomb
at
so
the
she can,
camera.
I'm gonna send you a bomb so you can throw it at the place so you can be free and go on the plane and go home.
Go home.
Yeah, go home to the U.S. I mean,
Go here.
go here to the U.S.
But anyhow, happy birthday again, and may you have more birthday to come. And we miss you, and we love you.
Make sure you have noodles on your birthday for long life.
She said noodles for your birthday for long life. Bye-bye. Lakay, stop! Happy 50th birthday. I wish you all the best. And I hope makapunta ka na rito. Pero it's okay. Diyan ka na lang muna para may kasama si Bae. Hope to see you next year. And I hope you had fun in your birthday. I love you. Miss you. Bye. Say bye.
Hi, Auntie Manchi. Hi, Auntie Manchi. I'll give you a present. I'll give you a present. I mean a present. A bag.
What about you, Andrea?
A flower.
And?
Then I will give her a picture.
Picture.
And I'm gonna give her a phone.
What?
I mean the iPad.
iPad for Auntie Menchie?
And you can in a bag. The flower. Huh? A flower. The flower is not a present. Yes, it is.
Then what else? What else you want to say?
I love you, Auntie Menchie. I love you, Auntie Menchie. I love you, Auntie Menchie.
So, okay, bye. Say bye to Bae too.
Bye. Bye.
Say bye-bye.
Auntie Menchie. Bye. Bye, Auntie Menchie. Bye,
See you
Auntie
next
Menchie.
year.
And next year, tomorrow.
No, it's next year.
It's next year.
Love
I
you
love
all.
You. I love you. I love you too. I love you too.
Bye, AJ. Bye. That's my little boy, AJ. He's shy.
AJ, he's shy on you, Auntie Menchie.
Say bye.
Bye.
Just wave your hand. Oh, what happened to you, Andrea? Bye.
Bye.